लेते रहो, जहाँ हो वहीं खड़े रहोगे चलेगा।
सेंटर है
साइड में
थैंक यू
तब उधर ही पर। हाँ, जब तक कहाँ न जाए झुके रहो।
सर अभी लेफ्ट में विकी सर लेफ्ट में देखो अभी मैं बोल के जाता हूँ ठीक है 2 मिनट कुणाल रुकिए प्लीज कुणाल सर लेफ्ट साइड सर कुणाल सर और एक बार थैंक यू मार लो सॉरी स्टार्टिंग एंड एंडिंग विद
Ladies and gentlemen, that for you. We don't have a mic. So we don't have a mic. So Lakme Fashion Week presents Kunal Rawal, a magnificent showcase against a magnificent backdrop. Before we start, I'd like to introduce Chinto, head of Reliance, head of fashion, IMG Reliance. Jaspreet, could you tell us a little bit about choosing this showcase, this location, about Lakme Fashion Week celebrating 20 years and having Kunal and the show?
Look, each season Kunal wants to do things bigger, better, and more amazing. And I think, one of the things that Nikita from my team really wanted to do was always do a show in this place. So I think it is her, let's say, focus and your vision that has really put this, in the way that it has come through. So, I'm really glad. This is also the first major event to ever happen here. After the beautification of the space. So we are just glad that we have been able to do this for the city of Mumbai, to showcase to the city of Mumbai that if we take care of our spaces, they look absolutely smashing and, can showcase world-class events as Kunal's Fashion Show. Right?
Kunal, you started your journey with Fashion Week. We
Yes.
started this season with your showcase, and we're ending also with you in a way. Tell us a little bit about your journey so far, about what went into preparing this showcase, and then we'll come to you.
For me, this has actually been a very, very emotional season. From the Gen Next show, I started my career with the Gen Next platform, and I was in fact was talking to people about how that first time I went onto the runway, it was such. I was a mess. Like I did a namaste, I did a salam, a wave, I did like 40 things in 3 seconds. So they put that in the video. So I was reminded about that, and I think it's been amazing because for the label, talking about today, Bombay has been such a big part of me and my label. It's home of the label, it's inspiration to the label, not only a collection. And this time I got to take it a little bit further with the help of IMG guys and I think all of us, the way we've come together for this, it was quite a task to make this happen. But I'm just so happy we get to launch Mumbai to our label today. We have a store at Rhythm House, which is shot at Asiatic, and all worked really hard to make this happen at a venue like this. I mean, it's a very emotional moment.
And how did Wiki come into the picture?
Now, except the on the surface visual aspect of things, I believe my clothes are, I think with menswear, especially in India, people are catering to the super opulent and the very formal traditional, and at the same time catering to the super casual. Nuance, I believe, working with the transitional pieces that move from this space to that space, and that could be worn and make multiple looks out of. So with Vicky, every time I've seen him, we both share the same sort of aesthetic and same sort of sensibility where you dress to the occasion, but you never go too deep into an extreme. You always have a hint of both worlds. I think that's my style. I think that's his style, and I think that's the reason why. I mean, the outfit
is an amalgamation of what I would want to put out there with Vicky. With this, it's got a bit of athleisure, it's comfortable, it's layered, and it's yet relevant. I think it's very him. The first time I saw him in one of my pieces, I remember it was an all-white jacket set. It was I think it was for a Netflix video or some video where he was just going crazy on a bed, and that's when I said, boss, this is the look I'm going to do with him the first time I work with him. So I've tried to work on something similar from there.
Vicky, welcome back to the city for the little bit that you were gone. We missed you.
Thank you.
Tell us, this is the second time in 5 days that you're walking for Kunal. Tell us what it's been like walking against this magnificent backdrop, thanks to Lakme Fashion Week, and celebrating 20 years with us.
This is my first year at Lakme Fashion Week, and I am so happy that I got to collaborate with Kunal, because we have been trying to collaborate since a few years now, and I'm very happy कि जब हुआ है तो we've gone like twice on it. So I'm very happy, and like he said, that our aesthetics really match. I have always been fascinated by his work, the garments that he makes, because like for this one also, if you see, it's a combination of knit and then a Sherwani-esque look, which I feel is something that only Kunal can think of. I've worn his outfits quite a couple of times during my promotions and other activities. I really enjoy wearing them. I think they fit me like a dream, and I'm just very happy, to be just standing next to him, because he is the guy of the future. I feel when it comes to fashion, he is so relevant today, and every time he's just upping his game, trying to be relevant. And in today's time, it's all about relevance. Your importance is all about relevance, and he's always focused on that. So that I really admire about him. That is something that I really learned from him. About this location, I am so happy that this has happened, because it was not just me walking for the show, it was also Mumbai walking for the show. And to think of that is just absolutely amazing. In this light, at this time, was beautiful. I'm very happy that I got to do the inauguration show and then on the final day as well. So I am very happy to be here.
It was a show to remember, and I'm sure it's going to be something that we're going to talk about for years to come. Thank you so much for being here. We're going to open the floor to questions.
Oh.
If we have any questions from the media.
Kunal, what is your design aesthetic?
Design aesthetic, I believe in having fun with your clothes and being you. How being individual personality, we all dress very differently on different days, dress to our moods. So I think the idea is have fun and please only yourself. I think that's very important.
Vicky, what about your style?
It's pretty much this, ma'am, because I feel style has to be an extension of your expression. It is not. It shouldn't be somebody else's expression. So unless it's fitting you like you want it to fit, unless it's a silhouette that really identifies with you, that for me is fashion, and that for me is something that works for me always. मैं फैशन में actually I'm a huge admirer of Saif Ali Khan साहब's fashion sense, because I feel he is regal, he is elegant, and the moment he wants to dress down, उनका casual wear is also something that I feel कि यार ये बहुत सही space में है, that it's in a very right space. So I really admire him for his fashion sense.
Last question. Kunal, can you tell us about the fabrics?
Sorry?
The fabrics.
About the fabrics.
Well, for me, fabrics play a very important aspect in
You
the
can
construction.
start with this. I'll be a mannequin.
Okay. So I'm lucky enough that I get to work on a lot of my fabrics, and in fact the reason why I got into fashion is because of the fabrics and the textile element. It's such an important aspect of how a garment falls, how a garment looks, and I love manipulating that. कि कुछ कैसे दिख रहा है, and then you go closer and I go, shit, it's not like that, it's something else. So I like that coming together of worlds. We like taking inspiration from grunge to create luxury, and I think that makes it my own world. There's no right, there's no wrong, there's my world. So starting with this, it's a summer neoprene with it's a summer sweat that we call it. I think it's made in a way that it's slick, formal, with some tone-on-tone thread work. I'm the biggest sucker for tone-on-tone thread work. With the bandi and the waistcoat also, you have like a chevron scallop, which is a new motif that we are launching for the season. It's got hints of like cane work, thread work, and a bit of baby pink. The jacket is again a version of this. It's our Mumbai Arrow is what we call it, and it's got bit of beading. Like you see, I prefer sheen than shine, so I like everything being slightly oxidized and nothing too shiny. Even this is gunmetal, and we've worked pretty hard to sort of darken and blacken the beads, because I think that's what it should not be in your face. It should just like the double take vibe should happen. So.
That's all. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
everyone.
thank you,
We
thank
have
you.
2 partner bites for Lakme Fashion Week, and then